Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be making dampukht, a traditional dish from Gilgit-Baltistan. This flavorful recipe is cooked on a low flame for nearly 2 hours without adding any water. Begin by placing meat with its fat in a pan. Next, layer in 2 to 3 whole potatoes, 1 to 2 onions, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 green chillies, 2 to 3 pieces of ginger, salt to taste, and a pinch of black pepper. Seal the pan tightly and cook on low flame for about 2 hours. Once done, serve this delicious dampukht with hot naan or roti. Enjoy this authentic taste of Gilgit-Baltistan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.